Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix if the start button or the start menu is not working on your Windows. And if that's the case, then we can't access into the start menu. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So we're just going to use our Windows key. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. To open the Task Manager window, maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer. Make a right-click, select Restart. Then close the window and wait for all the icons on the taskbar to be back. And after that, you just need to access the Start button again. Then for the next method, we can also run in safe mode or enable safe mode in our Windows and then come back to the normal one. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together, type msconfig, hit enter. Click on the boot tab. Here you'll find safe boot. Click on apply, click on OK, I click on yes, click on OK. Then you have to click on the restart button. And after you have restarted your Windows, press the Windows key and letter R button together again, type msconfig, click on OK. In here, you have to click on the boot tab. Now, uncheck this box, Safe Boot. Click on Apply, click on Yes, click on OK, click on the Restart button. Then, for the next method, we can also uninstall the latest updates of our Windows. Press the Windows key and then click on Settings. Now, here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update. You'll find Update History. Click on that. Scroll down and you will find Uninstall Updates. And you'll find the updates on your Windows. Just simply click on the uninstall button. And after the uninstallation is successful, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is we can run some commands. So for that, you need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type in here sfc // scan now, hit enter. Now this will check and fix for all system corrupted files, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, close this window, then restart your Windows afterwards. Then go back to the Windows search bar, type CMD, click on run as administrator. This time you need to type this command, dism /online /clean up dash image / restore health, hit enter. And you just need to wait for the process to also become 100% completed. Then close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.